Yo, what's up guys? I hope you have an amazing day and welcome to a new video. Guys, today is the last day of Ramadan and may Allah accept all of our du'as and prayings. تقبل الله منا ومنكم صالح الأعمال. But today we're gonna go and get ready for Eid and maybe we're gonna go and have some fun. So stay tuned. Let's do this.
Nice.
Alhamdulillah, I just had my last iftar and right now I'm about to head into town. Yeah, so I'm about to head into town.
No! God, please, no! No!
Yeah, I'm about to head into town inshallah to get trim and my friends are there, so we're gonna go and have fun and we're gonna go and smash the Eid night.
Oh my God! Wow!
Check this out, who's there? Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing, brother? Alhamdulillah. I saw this guy off the bed long. Alhamdulillah. How are you doing, Safijan? You haven't been in my vlog for very long, bro. What do you want to tell to people?
From since you started vlogging.
Yeah, man.
It was at this moment that he knew.
When? Today?
Nice. Nah, that's Ramadan. Bro, this guy is getting richer. Look, mashallah, right now. He used to go at Lexus, now he got a full focus.
An evil eye, okay?
Nah, mashallah. I say mashallah, fam. How are you doing, brother? You good? What's the plan for tonight, inshallah?
We're going to the mosque now.
This guy's always onto mosque, mashallah. I really rate this, but we're gonna do some other things too. How am I joking? But yeah, guys, so we're gonna go and smash Eid night, inshallah. So stay with us.
Few moments later.
So guys, alhamdulillah, we just finished from Salah. Right now, we're gonna go and grab some firework to smash the Eid night.
We do not care.
But yeah,
Gonna get some fireworks, get together, fire them up.
inshallah, yeah, inshallah. So guys, we grabbed the fireworks and it's down there, mashallah. Look, one of them is like 38 shots. What's the other one?
25
Yeah,
shots.
25 shots. So first of all, we have to go to Baba because
Yeah.
we're too late. So inshallah, we're gonna go there then. We're gonna go to fireworks. Stay with us. Actually, it's taking very long, bro. It's too busy. What's the time? Look, the time is like 9:30, but it's still.
One eternity later.
So guys, unfortunately we didn't get the chance to get trim because the queue was too long and because of the Eid night. So I decided to do it tomorrow inshallah before the Eid prayer. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the firework, innit, Safi?
Yeah.
Come on. We're gonna go for the next one, inshallah. We've got two fuse in it. Go for it. سافي خذ هيك دسة صاروا يجيب بتشق بك برو وش بكشف That's up, I won't do that. Safi, how are you feeling now?
Bye, chicken.
That's it, man. Thanks.
Very
Appreciate
nice,
this, man.
Very nice.
Come on.
من أتيت فزدت حبنا
So guys, alhamdulillah, we had an amazing night. And the best part, what was the best part? Yeah, alhamdulillah, the best part was the firework. And that was tonight's vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed the vlog, make sure to drop a like. Up to next upcoming video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.